ADUNI Ade sparks controversy over statement on Yoruba language. She urged fans to speak English instead of Yoruba. Before we continue, what we do on this channel is to bring to you the trending news in the Nollywood industry. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Renowned Yoruba movie actress, ADUNI Ade, has ignited heated discussions on social media after expressing her frustrations with speaking Yoruba. In a recent interview, the actress revealed that speaking the language can be draining and sometimes irks her nerves. She also encouraged Nigerians to embrace speaking only English, as it is a global language. ADUNI Ade, who is celebrated for her roles in Yoruba films, stated, "While I respect my heritage and culture, speaking Yoruba can be exhausting for me. I feel it's important for Nigerians to focus on English as a unifying and international language to stay competitive globally." Her remarks have drawn mixed reactions, with many Nigerians expressing disappointment, given her significant contributions to Yoruba cinema. Critics argue that her statement undermines the importance of preserving indigenous languages, which are central to cultural identity. Others, however, supported her view, citing the increasing need for English proficiency in a globalized world. "She is not wrong," one supporter commented on social media. "English is the language of progress, and we can still respect our culture without being limited by it." This debate has reignited broader conversations about the balance between cultural preservation and modernization in Nigeria. While some advocate for a bilingual approach to language use, others insist that indigenous languages like Yoruba should be prioritized to ensure their survival for future generations. ADUNI Ade has yet to issue further clarification on her statement amidst the backlash.